Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, video 3 for today. So, I just want to tell you guys that I don't know if my giveaway video will be posted before this or after this, to be honest, because I am, yay for me, extremely ahead in my videos, which I am extremely excited about, because when I talk to you next week, I'll probably be like, hey guys, I'm behind in my videos again, but right now I'm ahead. I just want to say though that, and I'm going to say this in quite a few of my videos to begin with so that everybody kind of knows that I've been revamping my channel. I'm now, no matter what, going to do 3 videos a week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. No matter what, I will be posting videos on those days. And I will also be doing 1 giveaway a week. I have 23 of the calendars to give away. I have like 7 of the blue farmer's truck from this year. I have 2 from last year, the farmers market calendars, and then I have like 2 of some of the other ones that were wanted, and then like 1 of some other ones. I don't know. Watch that video. I show you every single one of them. Again, 23 calendars, and I don't want any left over. But if you count, so I'll be doing 1 giveaway a week until the end of the year, right? There's less than 23 weeks. So when I post additional videos, like surprise videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, or Sundays, I will sometimes be throwing in another giveaway so that I can get rid of every single calendar by the end of the year. And not only will you be getting the calendars, but I'm going to do the giveaway themed around the calendar. So like, let's say one of them is called Blossoms, right? So I might go get some notebooks, some pens, some stickers, some stuff like that that has like beautiful roses and stuff because it's Blossoms. And just all the different things. So I'm going to theme every single giveaway around each calendar. It's not going to just be a calendar coming to you in the mail. So anyways, with that being said, please go to my giveaway video. I will link all of the instructions below here, but it's probably just better to go to that video because I explained it all. Anyways, guys, let's do another Dollar Tree haul, right? Like, I went crazy. I don't even know, like they are killing it this year, killing it. So let's get started. Okay, and so let me also tell you, remember guys, I work with a lot of patients. It doesn't have to just be the kids. My adult patients absolutely love doing crafts also. And I bet it's Ivy. Ivy sent me, gosh, it was months ago. I did a friend mail video, shipped me a huge box of stuff, like of all kinds of like Halloween crafts and all that stuff, which I did distribute between me and some of the other people that work in my home health, that work at my home, I work at home health. I have 16 home health patients a week, and then I work full time at, it's a skilled nursing facility. So some people live there and some people are just coming in for rehab to go home to their families. So I have a lot of people. The kids are not the only people that like to do the crafting. So I pick up some of this stuff that's just different and take it to them, and we do groups. Like, it's kind of like a sip and paint party, but we do like, it's a sip and paint, but there is no wine. I get the sparkling cider from like Dollar Tree and stuff. So anyways, so when people are like, oh my gosh, like what are you gonna do with all that? It is not just for me. It is, like I said, I have 16 home health patients. Some of them have brothers, some of them have sisters, so I'm not going to tell them no. And then, I mean, I see probably 10 patients a day, so 40, 50. So like, let's just say 60 patients a week I see. So that's a lot. That's a lot. So I just want to tell you, I'm not being selfish. And I don't think I am. Like, there's not a whole lot here. Anyways, this is the Color Your Own Ornament 8 pieces of the Scaredy Cats. And it does come with the twine, but I think I'm going to bring like some orange or some green with it. So anyways, yeah, there, I have that. It's this Scaredy Cat. And then we do have the Color Your Own Ornament, the Ghost, which is incredibly cute. Again, there's 8 of them. They do have the hole, so we can make, I can make a garland if I want. I can take it to work if I want, or whatever. And so I did pick that up. Again, it comes with the twine. I don't know if we'll use that. And then these are the wood words, and these are 3 pieces, and it says spooky with the ghost on the top. So I did pick those up, and they are kind of big. I don't think it tells me how big they are, but they're not a bad size. They do not have holes in them though. The last one does not have the O popped out. Oh, okay, I saw it from behind. I just have to poke it out myself. But anyways, they don't have holes for the garland, but we can do anything with them. So I got those for all of us because we love that kind of stuff. And then, let me see. I'm just looking so that I kind of stay on track, because some of my videos are going to be like, she went haul, following. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it Halloween, so that everyone's like, why do you keep switching? I'll be like, because I'm decorating for Halloween. Anyways, I did just pick up this little votive candle holder with the black house. That's it. Just a scaredy haunted house with the black. That one is black. Then I did pick up the ghost that says boo. I love that it's green down here with the white ghost and then the black, and it is just a votive holder. So that's going to be really cute. And then this one right here is the cat with the pumpkin. So cute. So again, it's a votive holder. I don't think it says how big it is, but it's a pretty good size, guys. It is a pretty good size. It just says made in China, which we know. But anyways, I picked those up. So I thought, like, on my mantle or something, like, how cute with these ones. I don't know, with like some cotton picked out so it looks like there's smoke coming out. I don't know. Anyways, that's just what I got. I did pick up this ghost just because, I don't know, this is not a ghost. This is a witch. I'm sorry. So hot in my garage. I'm not going to complain anymore because I am excited to have my own space, but it is hot. Anyways, I picked up this witch for a DIY that I think I'm going to do. I hope I'm going to. If not, I'll just put her outside. We don't decorate a whole lot, but we do have a bunch of like projectors and things that make noises for our front yard. But the sad thing is, like, people just don't go trick-or-treating anymore. So sometimes it's just like, why am I going to decorate if nobody comes over? It's so sad. Because when I was younger, I could not wait to get home from school. It wasn't even dark yet. I was like, Mom, let's go. Let's go. And now, I don't know. I know it's not safe. So people are like, well, of course, because it's not safe. But it's just sad because it's like we're losing so much stuff. Like, trick-or-treating was just amazing for me. So, look at it. And it does different colors. And guys, like, I like how it kind of disperses in her belly. Oh, my dogs. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sorry. Ooh, guys. No. You guys see the camera shaking? I'm sorry. I'm not turning that. I'm going to have to take this little baby back. I have never, ever returned anything. This will not go on in my house. Like, okay, you're knocking mommy's camera over. Oh, no. I'm not going to be able to keep that. I might have to give that to one of my residents or something. Sorry. They did not like it. Anyways, so I also picked up this. It's just a wooden haunted house. But again, I have been looking up, sorry, they're trying to get into my bag and eat the witch. It's not even making noises anymore. So I've been looking up DIYs. Let me just show you what else I hauled, because maybe you guys will know what I'm talking about. So I got the Hot Wheels tracks, right? So I got 4 of them. And people have been like painting them, and then they're making them, okay, so anyways, I got 2, but there's 4 in total, and they have been making them into like, I guess, like lanterns almost. So I want to paint these and stuff, and then I want to paint this and kind of put it in the center. Doesn't look like that right now, but if you guys know what I'm talking about, like, I really want to try that. I think it's going to look really cool. So yeah, I got this so that I could just paint it and see if that works. But you guys know what I'm talking about? Anyways, I saw it, I was like, well, that's pretty cool. So I'm going to do that. And then I did find these, and they are the treat bags with ties, and they're 4 bags and 4 twines, and they're 4 inches by 8 inches, but they're canvas, you guys. Like, they are not plastic. They are not, like, they are canvas orange bags with pumpkins on them. Is that not cute? I probably will not use that. I'm going to probably use like a bright bow or something. I don't know, but that is gorgeous. They are canvas. So there's 4 in here. And I'm just trying not to bounce all over the place. I did pick up stickers. I picked up these ones, are 15 pieces, and they said, boo, but first coffee. I put a spell on you. Trick or treat. I love Halloween, and happy Halloween. Guys, can we talk about the little guy in the sunglasses? Is he not the cutest thing you have ever seen? So cute. So I got those ones, and they are 3D, if you can see some of them. So I got those. And then I did get the ones that just say boo. I really got them more because of the pumpkins. Those pumpkins are fall for me. And again, I don't decorate a whole lot for Halloween, but I decorate for fall. And so I got them more for the pink pumpkins because I think they're the cutest things. And there is 17 on there. So I'm so sorry. I'm very dry. We were at only 10 minutes. We're killing it, guys. Not really. But I got this one. It says pick your poison. And this is going to be 4 different decor for me because I don't plan on leaving them like this. I am going to take these down and probably put, I might just leave them like they are, or maybe put like, I'm so sorry. Put like some ribbon or something around here, put some Jenga blocks on the back and put them on my 2 or 3 tiered shelf. I have several, some of that are 2, some that are 3, and just set them on there. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with them. Again, I'm just gonna zhuzh them up a little bit, cover up the hole in the top so you can't see it. Like I said, put a Jenga block on the back and it is going to sit on my 3-tiered tray. So that's why I got these. And this one is the spider venom, and this one says witch's brew. Love them. So I got those. What else do we have, guys? All right, so I am going to move along from the holiday stuff for just a couple minutes, probably until the end of this haul, and then I'll do one more video, I think is all I need, and the next one will be fall also. But let me just show you a couple other things I got. I'm very sad. So I, again, met a YouTuber, my first ever. It's Amy from Bella's Bargains. She lives about 2 hours from me, and she does a giveaway every month. I'm sorry. She does a giveaway every week. She does, it's not really like a competition, but she does like a challenge every month. And so the first month I wasn't able to do it because we were in the middle of moving. And then this month it was back to school. So I was like, yes, like I got this. Like I cannot wait to make something for this challenge. You don't win or anything, but it's just like awesome that you participate. We're at the end of the month and I didn't do it again. But I did get some stickers that I planned on putting on a DIY. I don't know if that counts, right? I don't know. So anyways, I was going to make like a really cute wreath with some crayons and just that kind of stuff. I didn't, but I might still make it. It just says back to school. It has the backpack. It has the little monkey, the shoe, the bus. I mean, just look at the little scissors. And they are 3D. And there is 12 of them. They're pop-up. So I'm sad, but so check out her channel. She has a challenge once a month. And she does a giveaway of a 20 or 25, I think it's $20 gift card every single week. But I didn't get to participate. I will participate next month though. All right, guys, let me see what I got here. I have some more of the, I was gonna say the crafty tape. It is, oh my, I'm so sorry. My brain is gone. Anyways, who cares? It's called tape. We'll figure it out. Anyways, this is 15 millimeters. You guys have seen it a million times. It's not the matter of how big it is or what it is. It's the matter of the decoration on it, you guys. Look at the gumball machine. Let me move this. Can you see? There you go. And look at the little guy on the skateboard with his sunglasses. Are you kidding me? I'm sorry for the shaking. Yeah, you know, I'll be heading back to the doctor this next week. Just got to figure some stuff out. But my hands are really not the most, best right now. But that's all right. We're good. So that was the little, the gumball machine and the little man with the sunglasses. And guys, it's washi tape. It's called washi tape. Yes. Guys, look at the little donut. Can we please talk about the little donut right here? So here's my little donut friend. If my hands will stop shaking, I'm so sorry. So here's my little donut. That looks like a fudgesicle and ice cream's on both sides. So cute. That washi tape is golden and that will be going into giveaways. And speaking of donuts, let me show you guys some stuff that I got for Happy Mail. So this is an eyeglass pouch. It's leather, but you don't have to use it for an eyeglass pouch, guys. It has donuts, cat donuts, and cupcakes, and ice cream, and everything. And the top is like the kind that like snaps open. So, I mean, it's a pretty nice one. I was like, for $1, I love this one. I think it is so cute. I did get it for friend mail. Not for me, but And then, guys, I got some donut sunglasses for friend mail. So, yes. I mean, I know it's not summer anymore, but guys, we can eat donuts anytime. So, are they crooked? No, I thought they would look broken. I think it's the paper behind them. But yeah, so I got the little donuts with the sprinkles for friend mail. So excited, love them. And then the last thing in this haul is not going to be fun, unfortunately, but I'm still going to show you. I did just pick up the 40 zipper seal bags, 3.8 inches by 5.75 inches. And I did pick these up because now that I'm in our house, I'm going to start using my Cricut again, or Cricut, whatever everyone calls it. And I want to start making earrings to send out in my friend mail. I love to make the faux leather earrings. And so I got these ones because the smaller ones that are this big had 20 in there. And I was like, okay, I'll just fold these over or put something extra in there. These were 40. The smaller ones have 20 in them. I thought that should be the other way around. So I was like, no, I'll just get these and fold them over. Like, doesn't make any sense, or put 2 pairs in it. Anyways, guys, I think that is it for right now. I think I have one more haul, and again, please go to my giveaway video because I do not want to be left with all these calendars at the end of the year. And yeah, I just want to give stuff away. So I hope that you're all having an amazing day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.